Hello students, today I am going to explain you about transistor configurations. This is the main objectives of today's class. Upon the completion of this topic, you can understand the three configurations of transistor. An amplifier is a So what is the main objectives of today's class? Three transistor configurations. We are going to observe this one. So in previous class we studied about how the transistor will work as an amplifier. So an amplifier is a 4-terminal circuit. The two terminals 1 and 1 form the input port and other two terminals 2 and 2 form the output port. This is the amplifier circuit. Let us say 1 input and 2 output. To the input terminals we connect signal source Vs, say a microphone, changes sound source into V electrical signal. A load R2 is connected across the output terminals. Load here is a load speaker which changes the electrical signals into sound signal. An amplified output signal V0 is developed across the R2. So thus an amplifier is a 2-port 4-terminal circuit, whereas a transistor is a 3-terminal device. You know the 3 terminals: emitter, base and collector. So do you know how to make the 2-port circuit with 3 terminals? Yes, that is the way. We have to make one of the 3 terminals common for both the input and output. So this common terminal is normally grounded. So following are the 3 possible configurations or modes in which the transistor can be connected to an amplifier: common base, common emitter, common collector. So in common configuration is like this. We connect the base to ground and we are giving the input at emitter side and we are taking the output at the collector side. This is what we call it as a common base configuration. Common base means we are connecting the base terminal to ground. At input side at emitter we are connecting input signal. At collector we are collecting the output. Next is the common emitter configuration. This is the common emitter configuration. That means common emitter means we are grounding the emitter terminal and we are applying the input at base and we are taking the output at collector. Common collector configuration. Common collector configuration method. How we connect this configuration? We are connecting the collector to ground and we are giving the input to base and we are taking the output at emitter terminal. This is the common collector configurations. So in figures, the transistor is connected in the common base configuration. Thus input signal is fed between the emitter and the base. The output signal is developed between collector and the base. So when we connect in common base mode means the input signal is applied between emitter and base and output signal is developed between collector and base. Thus in common configuration, base is common to the input and output. Thus in common base configuration, base is common to the input and output. In the common emitter configuration, the base is the input terminal and the collector is the output terminal. Emitter is made common to both input and output. So in common emitter configuration, we connect the emitter to a ground. That means we are connecting this emitter common to the both input and output. So we are connecting the input in common emitter configuration to collector and base, and we take the output at collector and emitter. So in the common emitter configuration, the base is the input terminal and the collector is the output terminal. Emitter is made common to input and output. In common collector configuration, input signal is fed between the base and the collector. In common collector configuration, input signal is fed between the base and the collector, and the output appears across the emitter and the collector. So here collector is common to both input and output. In common collector configuration, input signal is applied between the base and the collector, and output signal is appears between collector and emitter, and the collector is common to both input and output. It should be remembered that regardless the circuit configuration, the emitter is always forward biased and collector is always reverse biased. You should remember one point related to this configurations. The emitter is always forward biased and the collector is always reverse biased. So what we studied up to now, we studied about the three main configurations of transistor. In how many ways we connect the transistor? That means we connect the transistor in three modes. First one is a common base mode, common emitter mode, common collector mode. What is the main purpose of these modes of the transistor? So to get amplified signals, to achieve amplification of the achieve the amplified signals, to behave like an amplifier. So the transistor to behave like an amplifier, we are consider transistor in three modes. So it is first one is the common mode, common emitter and common collector. So transistor is a three-terminal device. Four terminals are required to use the transistor in a two-port circuit. Why? Because amplifier is a four-terminal circuit. Transistor is a three-terminal device, but amplifier is a four-terminal device. Four terminals are required to use the transistor in two-port circuit. By making one terminal common, we have three transistor configurations. By making one terminal common, we have three transistor configurations. What are they? Common base configuration, common emitter configuration, common collector configuration. In common base configuration, we are connecting the base to ground, and we are applying the input between emitter and base, and we are output will be appears across between collector and base. In common emitter configuration, we are connecting the emitter to ground, and we are applying the input between base and emitter, and we are taking the output at emitter and collector. Whereas in common collector configuration, we are connecting the collector to ground, and we are applying the input at base and collector, and we are observing the output at emitter and collector, between emitter and collector. So these are the three configurations of transistor. So one point should be remembered, that whatever the transistor configuration, whatever may be the transistor configuration, in all configurations, emitter junction is forward biased. We keep it as emitter forward biased mode, and we keep it the collector junction in reverse biased mode only. to get the amplification. This point we have to remember, because when the transistor is operating in active mode only, we get the amplified output. So when we connect the transistor in active condition only, the transistor acts as an amplifier. Once again, I am going to repeat about configurations diagrams. Observe these diagrams. Here we are connecting the base to ground, and we are connecting the input in between emitter and base, and we are taking the output between collector and base. So in this way, this base is common to both emitter and collector. This is common for input and output terminals. So by using 3 terminals, we make the 4-port network. This is a common emitter configuration. We are connecting the emitter to ground, and we are giving the input between base and emitter, and we are taking the output at collector and emitter. So here emitter is common for both input and output. Common collector configuration. In common collector configuration, we are taking the collector for both input and output. So we are connecting the collector to ground, and we are applying the input between base and collector, and we are observing the output between emitter and collector. So these are the circuit common emitter and common collector configurations. How we connect in these configurations? So when we connect in transistor in these 3 configurations, the emitter junction always keep it in forward bias only. The collector junction always keep it in reverse bias only. Then only you can achieve the amplification. These are the output configurations. So the transistor is connected in common base configuration. The input signal is fed between emitter and base. The output signal is developed between collector and base. Thus in common base configuration, base is common to both input and output. In the common emitter configuration, the base is input terminal and the collector is the output terminal. Emitter is made common to both input and output. Whereas in common collector configuration, input signal is fed between the base and the collector, and output applies between emitter and the collector. The collector is common to both input and output in this mode. So you should remember that regardless of the circuit configuration, the emitter is always forward biased and collector is reverse biased. So regardless of the circuit configuration, the emitter is always forward biased, collector is always reverse biased. So what we observed in today's class, transistor is a 3-terminal device. 4 terminals are required to use the transistor in a 2-port circuit. 4 terminals are required to use the transistor in a 2-port network. So because amplifier is a 4-terminal for 2-port network, so for this purpose we make the transistor into 2-port network. So by connecting one terminal common to ground, then the circuit behaves as a 2-port circuit. So by making one terminal common, we have 3 transistor configurations. What are they? Common base, common collector, common emitter configurations. So from this what we understood, transistor is a 3-terminal device, but to make the transistor like amplifier, the transistor is operating 2-port mode. To get this 2-port network, this 3-terminal device is changed like this. we common the one terminal to both input and output, then this transistor will act as a two-port circuit. So by making one terminal common, we have three transistor configurations. What are they? Common base, common emitter, common collector. So we observe, up to now we understood about different configurations of transistor. So this is some frequently asked questions related to today's topic. Explain the three configurations of the transistor. So this is only one question, and let us see some quiz questions. The function of transistor is to do rectification. Second option is amplification. So what is the correct answer? The function of transistor is to do amplification only. In common base configuration, the input signal is applied between. In common base configuration, the input signal is applied between emitter and the base, and the output signal is developed across collector and base. So in common base configuration, the input signal is applied between emitter and base, and the output is developed across collector and base. Next question, in common emitter configuration, the input is applied between. In common emitter configuration, the input is applied between. The input is applied between base and the emitter, and the output is taken between emitter and the collector. Next question, in common collector configuration, it means in CC configuration, the input is applied. This is applied to base and the collector, and output is taken from emitter and collector. So these are the some quiz questions related to configurations of transistor. What is the first question? The function of transistor is to do amplification. In common configuration, the input signal is applied between emitter and the base, and the output is developed across collector and base. In common emitter configuration, the input is applied between base and the emitter, and the output is taken between emitter and the collector. In CC configuration, the input is applied to base and the collector, and the output is taken from collector and emitter. These are the quiz questions related to common configurations of transistors. So this is for today's class. What is the summary? Transistor is a three-terminal device. We know that it is a three-terminal device. 4 terminals are required to use the transistor in two-port mode. So 4 terminals are required to achieve the amplification using transistor. So to get a two-port circuit, this three-terminal device, how it will be changed? It means by making one terminal common, we have 3 transistor configurations. That means by making a terminal common means it will act as a two-port circuit only. By making one terminal common, we have 3 transistor configurations. First one is common base, common emitter, and common collector configurations. So these are the different configurations of transistor. So this is for today's class. I hope all of